WW, sort 45, the plural endings with S and ES. This word plural just means that there's more than one. When you're trying to say that there's more than one, you either put an S or an ES onto the word. Not an apostrophe S, just an S. In this sort, we're going to learn when to use the ES as opposed to just an S. S is the most common. You just put S onto the end of most words and find that it's got more than one plural. But when do you use ES? Let's find out. So we're going to start by doing one sort of sort. We're just going to look and see, is it adding S or ES? Oh, in this word, you might think it's ES, but the base word is I. So, and that has an E. It's really just adding an S. Inches. I'm simply going to just sort these out by whether they have ES at the end or just S. Oh, this one actually. This is a silent E word, so you're just adding S. Same thing here, just adding S. Wishes. Glasses. Glasses. Riches. Dresses. Girls. Taxes. That one is adding ES. Houses. That one, the base word already has E. Bosses, coaches, flashes, speeches, months, badges, pieces, plants, and lunches. In this sort, you'll see that there are more words that have ES than S, but out in the world, it's really more words have just S. And the reason why we have so many words with ES is so that we can see more patterns within that column. So I'm going to take away the words with just S, and I'm going to sort the words with ES into some different columns here by what letter or two letters comes before the ES. So in this word, we have S right before the ES. This word has CH right before the ES. CH has to go together. It's a digraph, and it just makes one sound. It's two letters making one sound. It goes ch, ch. So that one is one category. We have S's here and here. In this word, we have SH. That's another digraph. Two letters making the sound sh. Bushes. In this word, we have an X before the ES. Stitch is CH, CH, SH, X, S, CH, SH, CH, and CH. From this sort, what can you conclude about words that end with ES? If a word ends with S, CH, SH, or X, you add ES to the end of it. First, a lot of times you can hear that there's an S, speech as, you can hear the E sound, flashes, so you can actually hear it if you listen carefully, that there's an S sound in there. There aren't any words that have three S's in a row, so you have to have another letter separating it. And this would be pretty hard to say, flash, you can't really say it like that, so they put another sound in there to separate it out. Coach, that doesn't work there either, so we put another letter. And an X sound is really, remember the X is really two sounds put together, a K and an S, so it has an S sound in it already, so we need another letter in between this S sound and another S to separate it. Taxes You got to have that there, else it's really hard to say. So the E really is needed in these words so that you're able to pronounce them. So once again, if a word ends with S, CH, SH, or X, you add ES to make it plural.